Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you complete face retouching. In that, I will show you how to remove dark spots, pimples, how to smooth your skin in Snapseed app. Snapseed app download link in description. So without wasting any time, let's go. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. First, we will open the picture. For that, just click on open. Now just select the picture you want to retouch. Okay, so this is our picture. First, we will remove the dark spots, pimples. For that, just go to the tool section. First, we will decrease the details. Click on details tool and just decrease the structure level little. Okay, and just click on apply. Now again, go to the tool section and click on healing tool. Okay, now just tap on the pimples, dark spots like this and you will see the magic. Okay, just zoom the picture completely and then do tap on the pimples. So you will see the results. Zoom in the picture and just tap like this. You can see the difference. Do this everywhere on the face where you see the dark spots. Just zoom in the photo and just tap on the dark spots.
By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then please do it guys. It gives me motivation to make more videos for you. In every week I do come up with a new Snapseed tricks and tutorials. So if you don't wanna miss, don't forget to subscribe.
You can see the difference before, after, before, after. If some spots are remain, don't worry, that spots will remove in next step. Now just click on apply. You can see the skin is looking little sharp, hard, right? Little dry. It's looking dry, right? So now I will show you how to smooth skin. Okay, for that just go to the tool section and click on portrait tool. Okay, in style, select eyes 1. Okay, now we will adjust some percentage. Keep the face spotlight +10. Keep the skin smoothing according to your face. I will keep it 60. Okay, eyes clarity +26 and just click on apply. And if you want more smooth skin, then just go to the tool section and click on lens blur tool. Okay, now make this circle small, transition 0 and keep that circle aside. Okay, blur strength 35 and weakness strength 0. Okay, now click on apply. Now click on edit stack, view edits, lens blur and click on brush. Now by adjusting this percentage, you can smooth the screen manually and making it 75. Now just brush on the skin. You can see it looks so smooth. If you want more blur, just make the percentage 100. Once it's done, just click on apply. You can see before one and the after one. It looks perfect. Like this, you can do face retouching in Snapseed app. And to save the picture, just click on this is download symbol and click on export.